let's have a look at this. The amount Neeta and Geeta together earns in a day is equals what Sita alone earns in 6 days. Okay, let's say Neeta earns N amount of money per day, Geeta earns G amount of money per day, and Sita earns S amount of money per day. So the amount Neeta and Geeta together takes for a day is equals to what Sita gets in 6 days. So this should be 6 times of S that you are looking at. The amount Sita and Neeta together, the amount Sita and Neeta together earns in a day is equals what Geeta alone earns in 2 days, is equals what Geeta alone in earning in 2 days. So 2 times of G. The ratio of the daily earnings of the one who earns the most to the one that earns the least is what? Now looking at these two equations, I understand that the value of N I remove from here, then I will get G in terms of S. So let me subtract the two equations. If I subtract the two equations, I'll get G minus S. That should be equals to 6S minus 2G. That gets me the value of 3G. That gets me a value of 3G being equals to 7S. So now I have the ratio between G and S from this equation very easily. Okay. Now, if I take a value of G or S from here and put it back into any one of these equations, I will get the value of N in terms of something else. So let's try to take the value of G from here. G is what? 7 by 3S, and put it back into the first equation. So N plus of G is 7 by 3S. That should be equals to 6S. So N should be equals to 6S minus of 7 by 3S. It's going to be what? 18 minus of 7, which is going to be 11S by 3. That should be the value of N. So between N and S also you have a relationship. Between G and S also you have a relationship. Now if you observe this very carefully, you will realize G by S will be 7 by 3. And what about N by S? N by S will be 11 by 3. Right? Now can we use these two ratios? This is simply telling you that N is to S is 11 is to 3 and S is to G is going to be 3 is to 7. So can I not say N is to S is to G is 11 is to 3 is to 7? Clear? Now, what are they asking you? The ratio of the daily earnings of the one who earns the most to the one who earns the least. One who earns the most to the one who earns the least should be 11 is to. And that's the answer that you are looking at for the question number 15.